Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April 21st, 2020. Here to give you all this update in Bitcoin. This is our Bitcoin price prediction and update from our video that we did on the 18th of on the 18th of April, of us expecting Bitcoin to continue to see the move higher in price. Right now, we're definitely not seeing that strength being placated. And also, we're seeing a pretty good area of restriction that we need to address on this video that is hindering Bitcoin from seeing move higher. All right, so before I get started, make sure you share this video, like the video, join us on our website at HueFinancial.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as well. We're at all of those particular platforms, so make sure you all stay updated on some of the news events that we are generating from the price charts. All right, now, last video, April the 18th, 2020. Looking for the market in Bitcoin to continue to see higher price. Now, what can you tell in the market for Bitcoin, right? Where is restriction? If you said $7,180, give or take, is where the market in Bitcoin is finding restriction. Okay, you guys can tell that because the market has been unsuccessful numerous times into breaking above that particular number. So what does that mean? It simply means that the market trappers are not allowing this cryptocurrency to continue to see a move higher. That's it. Okay. And following yesterday's trading day with this increased volume, it definitely confirms that that weakness is still in play in Bitcoin. So I don't like our forecast that we did on the 18th. Would definitely consider it, a loss forecast of about, if we were to get out right now, 5.25%, 5.27%. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's update this chart in terms of what we're noticing in Bitcoin going forward. So now we said that 7180 is restriction into the market in Bitcoin right now. We needed to capitalize on the market in Bitcoin to see higher price right there on the 16th of April. And we had 5 days of doing it, and we haven't even capitalized at all. So that even adds to the overall weakness in the market for Bitcoin. Okay, so at best, the thing that I'm noticing is not necessarily massive weakness, but that Bitcoin can still consolidate in this range. Okay, so that simply means that the forecast in Bitcoin can definitely come down to 6,500, even if we get a massive influx of weakness back down to 6,000. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. You can tell here that the weakness is still being placated on the hourly time frame. 3-hour chart. Again, you guys can still see that the weakness is being present. This was another opportunity in the market to see Bitcoin find some recovery and try to move higher, and it is not even playing out with that particular sense. So we're still noticing some weakness into the market in Bitcoin. Obviously, you can tell that some support can be around 67.50, maybe even around $6,600. Okay, so let's take this back over to the daily and go ahead and put in a short into the market. So we said like $6,600 can be support. That's like another 3% market move to the downside in Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll TP the market in Bitcoin around 6,600. I'm going to try to hold some support around 64, but again, we're not seeing any indications of market strength over the last 5 days. So even $6,400, maybe a little lower than that, can be a big impact in Bitcoin in the long term. Okay, so we got TP at $6,600, might even hit 64 if we get the influx of volume playing out in Bitcoin. So we're going to play a little weakness into the market in Bitcoin, but right now just literally consolidating for the most part. 6,600 TP, 64 all the way down to $6,000 in terms of weakness. So we're going to continue to play this forecast now in Bitcoin. Now we get a indication of strength daily price bar relatively soon, then this forecast as well will become invalid And so long as we trade above $6,600, the strength is definitely being maintained in Bitcoin as well. So just to give you all those perception as to how the market can still play out. But right now, yeah, weakness is controlling the space. So questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I'll see y'all on the next one.